Give me that good night, I'll show you that good life. You see that this is what it looks like. Drinking all day, Bush Light, a hood Sprite. I'ma hit the bar, take more shots than Suge Knight. Ay. So send me naked pics, the ass looking fatter on the iPhone 6. Ay. Iggy and J-Lo, you know they keep it locked. Looking good, yeah, working straight, Janet from the block. If you see those new pics, yeah, you know that's happening. Saw it on them websites, they call that the fappening. But to my credit, I ain't even gotta hit it on my flow. Cause all day I've been over there reading Reddit like see, and now you scaring me. Checking out the kid doing news, well apparently this is what it is. Told him people play nice, I didn't train there.